Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account Europe. Begin by selecting an account type and preparing your passport or national ID for verification. Make sure you have a recent proof of address and basic personal details ready. Understand the difference between cash and margin accounts and pick the option that matches your trading goals and risk tolerance before moving to the application form. In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account Europe. Next, upload your identity document and a recent proof of address in clear photos or PDFs. Ensure your national tax identification number is accurate to avoid delays in verification. Double-check all document details match your application exactly to speed up approval and reduce requests for additional paperwork from the broker. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes keeping a tidy workspace effortless, with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on trading, not dust. It fits neatly into a busy investor routine and saves time on chores. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account Europe. After documents are submitted, link a European bank account and initiate a SEPA transfer to fund your account. Complete any selfie or live verification steps carefully and respond to any broker requests quickly. Keep an eye on your email and the platform for approval notices, and follow any final instructions to enable trading and transfer funds safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.